In this video I'm gonna be showing you how to draw an Easter bunny. I'm starting out with the silhouette of my rabbit, the basic shapes, mainly the head and the torso. Yeah. And then I'm adding some other sub-shapes like the tail and ears, and then I'm adding the face details like the eyes, and after that I'm going to draw the legs that start with two oval-like shapes and drawing pose from it. And I drew the mouth because I skipped that in the face part, and then I'm adding the Easter eggs to stay loyal to the theme. Now that I'm done with the sketch, I'm going to do the line art to make the drawing look more clean and detailed, because I'm adding some details with the marker to the line art. And yeah, I'm using a black thick marker to make it look more cartoon and quirky and those kinds of things. Making the shapes look more round and clean. Doing the grass. And the patterns on the Easter eggs. And now that I'm done with the line art too, I'm going to erase the sketch and add some coloring to it, like shading and coloring the Easter egg patterns. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next video.